GLC63. Now these cars come with a big, ugly, chunky box. Let's get rid of that using our plinth delete kit, and I'm going to show you how to get this on the car with our number plate mounting system. Let's get into it. This is what we're going to use for this car. Now this plinth is specific to the car, so all you got to do really is just take everything off the car. There's a couple of screws for the plate, a few for the big box. Take everything off, and this can go straight on with the help of a couple of holes. One is being a factory hole. So first, I'll take everything off the car and I'll show you the next step. So this is our miniature plinth. Now this is basically a redesign of the original size. We call it miniature because obviously it's quite small. Installation is easy. So the middle hole is a factory location, and the back of this is shaped to the same contour as a bumper. So lining up is simple. Just line up the center hole and it will rest on the black section of the bumper, which then allows you to drill 2 holes on each side, followed by a screw, and you're ready to install your bracket. Now that you have your plinth on, it's time to choose a number plate bracket to suit your number plate style. Now, these parts are modular, which means that you can adapt a bracket to suit any number plate in Australia. So in this case, we'll be installing a Victorian slimline. So I've got a slimline bracket, which matches that size. You just need to grab a bracket to suit your size. And all you got to do is grab the screws and line it up with 2 of the brass threads on the car, and align that with any of the slots on the bracket. Choose your desired height, put the bolts on, followed by the bolts that hold your number plate on, and then you're done. Oh, almost forgot. You might be wondering, but what about the leftover holes? Thought of that. These B bolts are designed to go in here, so they kind of look like a pretend parking sensor. So that way you're not left with like an empty hole doing not much. There's also a hole here made by an old number plate, so I'll get some screws around the factory and plug that up as well. And that's the install done, complete with our delete kit with a number plate bracket, going from this to this, quite a transformation. Just remember, the plinth is specific to the car, and make sure you grab a bracket that matches the number plate style. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.